Another virtue Allah has deemed necessary for a believing woman is humility. Humility is the key to mutual respect, and a society rich in humility is peaceful and harmonious. As Ahmadi woman, if you are humble and instill humility in your children, you will raise future generations who can lead the world towards peace and prosperity. In this way, you will play a fundamental role in saving the world from destruction. Moreover, we should ensure that we and our families always manifest humility and that our actions are never tainted by arrogance, because arrogance fuels disorder and evil. As Ahmadis, we are fortunate to have accepted the Prophet Messiah Islam, to whom Allah revealed, Teri ajzana rahein usse pasand aayin. This means that Allah loved the meek and humble ways of the Prophet Messiah Islam. It follows that if we desire Allah's love and attachment, we must seek to emulate His blessed example.